We were discussing about the functions which are used to store particular tasks, and also functions. It is going to be written some value to us. It is going to be written some value for us. So we have the different types of functions. One is single row functions, the other one is multiple row functions. Single row functions will accept a single value or a row as input, and it is going to be produces a single value as output. Again, the single row functions has been classified into numeric functions, text or string functions, date and time functions we have. Multiple row functions, if you see, more than one row of data we are going to be take as input. More than one row of data we are taking as input, and it is going to be generates a single value as output. Single value as output. See here, for the numeric functions, what are the things we have? ABS functions, ABS function, absolute function, which is used to return the positive value for the given number. Either it is a negative number or positive number we have provided as an argument. It is going to be give the negative value as a result for us. Select absolute of -4 from dual. It is going to be give. See why I am using the table name as dual here. Why I am using the table name as dual here. See, this is a scalar value I have provided. For the absolute value, I have provided as scalar value. That is -4. I have given the value. I didn't take that value from any of the column. So it is going to be considered as a scalar. So from dual. See, it is going to be get the value from the dummy table. I mean, value from the dummy table in a sense, just we need to have some table over there. In that particular case, we are using dual. In that particular case, we are using dual. Select absolute value of -4 from dual. It is going to be give as 4. So in the same way, select absolute of 4 from dual. It is also gives us 4. It is also gives us 4. If I'm giving positive value as an argument to the absolute function, it is going to give the positive value. If I'm giving the negative value as an argument, there also it is going to give the positive value only. See, next mod function we have. Mod x comma y, if I'm giving x value is going to be divided by y. What is the remainder we are having? That remainder it is going to be give as result to us. That remainder it is going to be give result to us. Select mod of 10 comma 2 from 12. So 10 divided by 2. So we are going to be get the remainder as 0. We are going to be get the remainder as 0. If I'm giving select mod of 10 comma 3 from 12, we'll be getting the remainder as 1. We'll be getting the remainder as 1. Like this, we are going to be getting remainder. We are getting the remainder. See, round function. What is the purpose of using round function? If I am taking the decimal value as an argument to the round function, just adjustment while we are doing some calculations in mathematics or anywhere, after the decimal point, if we are getting 5 digits or 6 digits, we are going to be make it to adjust for 2 digits. We are going to be make it adjustment for 2 digits after the decimal point, or sometimes we are not going to be take even 1 digit also after the decimal. So how we are going to be do it? Select round off. This is a number. Round off this if I'm giving without the second argument, only decimal number if I'm passing as an argument. See, till the decimal point it is going to be take. This complete part it is going to be this complete part is going to be get removed. In this part, the last digit is greater than or equal to 5. Then one number will be added to the previous existing number. To 86 we are getting as result. If I am getting the same thing, and here if I am giving after the decimal point, it should have 2 digits. It should have 2 digits. So it means it is going to be remove these 2 digits. It is going to be remove these 2 digits. In this particular case, the last number what we are removing is 8, that is greater than or equal to 5. Because of that only, one number will be added to the previous one. One number will be added to the previous one. One number will be added to the previous one. Because of that, we got as 65 here. 65. So in the same way, select round off 1 if I'm taking only 1 digit after the decimal point. Only the 1 digit after the decimal point. Here if you see 6 only we got. So this 3 digits it is removing. 3 digits it is removing. And the last digit we have is 4. If that 4 is satisfying the condition, that is if it is greater than or equal to 5, then one number will be added. It is not greater than or equal to 5. Because of that only we got just discarded it here. Just discarded here. And any number is not added to the previous digit. Select. I'm taking it as negative value, negative -1 here. Before that, I mean left the decimal point, whatever the digit we have, that will make us 0. How many value we are providing? -1 we are providing here. Left to the decimal point, one digit it is going to be make as 0. One digit it is going to be make as 0. If that value which is making as 0, if it is greater than or equal to 5, then one number will be added to the previous one. It will be become as 4290. 90. If I'm taking two digits, it is going to be make. So when it is removing these 2 digits, 8 is greater than or equal to 5. Because of that, one number will be added here. Because of that, one number will be added here. That is about round function. In the same place, if I'm using this truncate, it will not perform any adjustment. Just it is going to be remove it. Okay, sorry. Truncate is not supporting with this version. Yeah, truncate is not supporting with this version. Next, seal function, floor function will see. Floor, if I'm giving the decimal value 4285.6, the previous integer value it is going to give 4285. It is going to give 4285 for the given argument. 4285. So if I'm taking this as a negative, it is going to give 4286 minus 4286 minus 4286. So before integer value or the nearest integer value, we can say smallest integer value. If it is something like 9 something like this also, we are going to be get 4285 only. 4285 only. That is store function. In the similar way, we have seal function as well. Seal function is next integer value, highest integer value for the given decimal value, highest integer value for the given decimal value. So see here, seal 4286, 4286. So here also we are going to get 4286. Here also we are getting a 4286. The negative value here we are going to get minus 4285. Minus 4285. The next value minus 4285. So like this, seal and floor functions will be worked. Seal and floor functions will be worked. And next we have greatest function. What is a greatest? What is a greatest? It is not there. So this is a greatest function which is used for getting the highest value of it. Highest value of it. So next we have text or string function. These are all numeric functions we have discussed. These are numeric functions we have discussed. So then we have text or string functions as well. Text or string functions as well. So we will discuss about these text or string functions. Text or string functions. See, uppercase. If you see, select star from employee. Select star from employee. E name, first letter is capital letter, remaining all are lowercase letters. In Deepal, first letter is capital letter, remaining all are lowercase. Here, Srinija, Priya, everything in every name, first letter is capital letter, remaining all letters are lowercase letters. In the Bangalore location, first letter is capital letter, remaining all lowercase letters. So now when we are taking this, select after of E name from employee. So everything we have retrieved in terms of capital letters only. See here, upper location from employee. We are getting this. We are getting this. So select lower. We have observed that in this first letter is capital letter. First letter is capital letter. First letter is capital letter. Like this. E name from employee. E name from employee. So A is small letter. So D is also small letter. S is also small letter. So everything, whether if it is having uppercase letter or lowercase letter also, it is going to be converted into lowercase only. See, select lower of location from employee. Location of employee. Right? So now, not only for the data what we have in a specific column, for the complete thing. See, like lower is a method. Raju's Java full stack. You have written in uppercase, few letters have written in lowercase. So when we are executing this, everything it is going to be converted into lowercase. Everything it is going to be converted into lowercase. So when we are using this with uppercase, everything it is going to be converted into uppercase. So that is this. Lower, upper. Next, length. How many characters we have? See, if it is a Bangalore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So length of select length of location column from employee table. So for null, we can't able to determine the length. So because of that, just it is going to be get as a null. See here, Chennai, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll be having 7 here, like that. So for this, if you want to get length of this one, it is going to be given as 21. Length of this as 21. So if I want to get length of the string full stack Java from 12. So total 15 characters, even including the space, it is going to be count. Even it is going to be count from space. And one more thing, while we are discussing Java concepts in the Java strings we have discussed, arrays we have discussed. In the arrays or strings, its index is going to be starts with 0. Its index is going to be starts with 0. We are going to be start the counting from 1, even though its index is starting with 0. Even though its index is starting with 0, we are going to be start the counting from 1 only. And one more thing here. The index will be starts from 1 only. The index will be starts from 1 only. And also the counting for the length will be starts from 1 only. Next, init cap. It returns the first letter is capital letter. Remaining all will be in lowercase. Sorry. Is not supporting in this version. That is, this function is not in it. It is not supporting. So depends on the versions, it is going to be changed automatically. Varies. Substr is a function. Substr is a function which is used for dividing or extracting support of the string. Extracting the support of the string. If you see here, substr string we are passing m comma n. So where m will represent starting position substring, starting position of the substring till n characters, So in the given string, it will start from the position m till it is going to be take n characters. Okay, so we will see that. Str I'll start from 3 and 5 characters I'll be taking. I'll start from 3, 1, 2, 3. So I have started from 3 and 5 characters, 4, 5. No, that what I'm saying. The index will not be start with a 0. In SQL, index will not start with a 0. It will start the index from 1 only. If it is a Java, where we are using arrays, strings and all, it is going to be starts the index from 0. It will start the index from 0. But whereas here it will not start the index from 0. It will start the index from 1. It will start the index from 1 only. Okay. So substr will works the same. Substr will works the same. Substring also we have, which will work same. So mid of this also is going to be the same. It means substring, substr, mid also going to be work same. So I can take here substr of string m comma n or substring for the string m comma n we are going to be take, or else next what we have here mid also same. It's going to be function the same thing. It is going to be function the same thing. INSTR, it will always return number data type. See, it is going to be return the position of the character. Select. It is in the first position. So these are where it is getting first position. Or else, if you are taking this Java, there is a complete some part of the string which is available here. So that beginning position it is going to be get for us. The beginning position it is going to be get for us. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the next position is 7 only. So from 7 it is going to be start. It is going to be get that. If I'm taking this as a lowercase, so also it is going to be take. Here in MySQL database, it is not going to be considered either it is uppercase or lowercase. It is going to be find the particular thing. Okay, that is INSTR. LPAD, or pad. See how many characters we have to take from left side. For that, we are going to use LPAD. So let me take from right side 4 characters. From left side 4 characters. LPAD, which is used to get in the given string 4 characters. Total length, how much we got? Sorry. Total length of this is 21. If I'm taking this, LPAD is from left side. The total string capacity is 21. If I'm taking as 30 characters, left side it is going to be have the spaces. So from the right it will be having 21 characters. So 9 spaces will be getting in the left side. Second parameter is total length of the string. I'll check this once and we'll discuss that LPAD in the next session. Next, trim function, ltrim function or trim function we are going to discuss. Select trim function. So this is a string Java session. See, this is a beginning space and this is an ending space. This both will be removed when we are applying the trim function. Both will be removed if when we are applying the trim function. Beginning space and ending space, it is going to be get removed. Beginning space, see, if we have the space, this much of space will be there at the left side. When you have right side, I cannot able to show that space here. So it will be get removed here. If we are saying, if it is a L trim, only the left side space it is going to be get removed. Only the left side space will be get removed. There is a space at right side that I cannot able to show. So in the next right trim, if we are saying, I can show you the space we have at the beginning here. Because rtrim is a function which is used to remove the space what we have at the end of the string. So I can show you this space. What are the space we have in the middle of the string? It will not perform any task over that. It will not perform any task over that. See, here it has been removed the beginning space. Here it is maintaining the same space as it is. I can show you the difference here. This is a trim function, ltrim function, rtrim function. So these are the different extra string functions we have. And one more thing left is concat. Select concat of hello Java, which is used for concatenating two strings. Concat function which is used for concatenating two strings. For that we are using this extra string functions. So remaining date and time functions are there that we will discuss in the next session. In the space here. So LPAD, even when we are giving this second one, LPAD of Java, then so actually third parameter is optional. If I'm giving here this one as LPAD string from dual, it is going to be get. So left side, totally string consists of 4 characters. So here we have 4 characters. Remaining 6 positions, it is going to be filled with this LPAD string. The similar way, RPAD also we have. So the given string, it is going to be filled at left side, and is going to be give in the right side the RPAD content. These things we are getting at the right side. These things we are getting at the right side. This is about LPAD, RPAD. Okay. Remaining date and time functions we will discuss in the next session.